The Bridgestone Turanza 6 versus the BFGoodrich Advantage. It's a battle in the touring summer tyre segment where comfort meets confidence. On one side, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 engineered for European refinement and balanced touring excellence. On the other, the BFGoodrich Advantage, carrying Michelin DNA and built to punch above its price tag. But which one should you trust under your family car? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Turanza 6 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2024 Auto-Build Summer Tyre Test. Let's start with wet conditions. In wet braking, the Turanza 6 stops 1.8 meters shorter than the Advantage. That's a 4% improvement. In wet handling, the Bridgestone was 1.2 km quicker, offering a 2% edge in cornering grip. And in aquaplaning, it also leads by a higher slipping speed of 3.1 km per hour or 4% better hydroplaning resistance. The Bridgestone Turanza 6 clearly dominates in wet safety. On dry roads, the results are much closer. Bridgestone stops 0.5 meters shorter in braking, just 1% better, but in handling, the BFGoodrich slightly edges out with a 0.2 km per hour higher speed, though the difference is negligible. In short, both are well matched in dry, with the Turanza excelling in braking and the Advantage slightly ahead in high-speed curves. When it comes to durability, the Turanza 6 shines. It lasts 8,650 km longer than the BFGoodrich Advantage, giving it a massive 25% lead in wear performance. That means fewer tyre replacement over long haul. But here's where BFGoodrich fights back. It runs 0.8 dB quieter, about 1% less in exterior noise. It also comes ahead in rolling resistance. It's about 3% more efficient, thanks to its lower energy consumption, better for fuel economy. And then there is price. In the 205/55/16 size, the BFGoodrich Advantage is 24% cheaper. That's a big saving upfront. In summary, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 delivers top-tier wet grip, longer mileage, and strong overall safety. It's the better choice if you value long-term performance. On the other hand, the BFGoodrich Advantage excels in quieter rides, better fuel efficiency, and a more affordable entry point.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.